Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying power and safety so you don't chase ghosts. First, confirm the outlet or circuit is live and remove any batteries. This catches most simple failures. Then, visually inspect the switch for cracks, corrosion, or loose wiring because a bad connection will mimic a dead switch. Once done, perform a deliberate power cycle. Cut power, wait 30 seconds to discharge capacitors, and restore it. This often clears transient faults and narrows the scope of the problem. Now you open the device and test internal components to find the defective element. Carefully disconnect power and remove the cover, photographing wire positions so reassembly is exact. That saves time and mistakes. Use a multimeter to check continuity across the switch terminals and any inline fuses. If contacts show high resistance or intermittent continuity, they are the culprit. Finally, replace the worn actuator, contact set, or small module with an identical part number to restore reliable operation. You finish by carefully reassembling and verifying functionality under real conditions. Reconnect wires as documented, snug screws to manufacturer torque, and restore power while observing for sparks, heat, or odd noises. That confirms a safe repair. Test the switch through several cycles and under expected load to ensure reliability. If the problem persists, isolate the switch, swap it with a known good unit, or test the circuit separately. Because replacing the switch without...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.